She's called Sleepinizer for Safari. Convenient fast browsing with gestures, allows you to invoke browser action via gestures and useful features. She's called Football Respring Clubs. Football Clubs Respring Theme. This tweet is called Let Me Know. Tweet to let you know exactly when you call, connects, or disconnect so that you don't have to keep holding. So, puts a vibration on the call, so connect or disconnect. I'm not gonna lie, this tweak, I don't know, it sounds really cool to me. So, iOS 13 support, or iOS 13 support. Not sure if it supports iOS 14 or not. So, vibrate call, so basically tells you when you get the call, which I'm not exactly sure. Lets you know exactly when you get the call, so you have to keep holding. I don't know, like if you call like different places, like I work at a bank and we're really busy on Saturdays and it's like an hour hold. But I don't know, if you guys call, even like this morning, I worked at 6:30 a.m. It was a long wait. It was like an hour wait as well. But like, I don't know, if you guys call somewhere like your bank or whatever and there's like a long wait time, it's a pretty convenient tweak to have because it, you know, instead of you holding forever, I guess it tells you, you know, or I don't really know exactly because like when they answer, you know, it's you hear their voice, but I don't know. This tweak, it just says that you have to keep holding. It puts a vibration on call when it connects or disconnects. I'm not sure if like you can just like end the call. I guess you can't. I don't know. It's not really exactly positive about this tweak, but I mean it's pretty cool though. I'm just not exactly sure how it works. This tweak's called Pro Keys and tactile RGB keyboard for your iPhone. She's called Lend My Phone 4, and it's a great tweak to be lent on your phone to true guest mode for iOS 14. So, if someone uses your phone and borrows it, you basically put them in like a guest mode so they can't snoop around and look at your privacy. She's called Car Respring Logos and Car Brands as Respring Themes. This is called BioProtect ets, which will let you put like a passcode, like a Face ID or Touch ID passcode or whatever on your apps. So it's like another layer of security. So if someone's trying to like get in your phone, trying to look at your stuff, this is another layer of security and protection for your device. She's called Banner Sounds 12 Crash Fits, requires at least iOS 13. Fits Banner Sounds 12 crash and causing crash on iOS 13. She's called TikTok Open in Browser, opens links in TikTok in the default browser. She's called Hincana 2, it's Hincana candidate to your keyboard. Hincana, it's IME add-on for Japanese, half with Kata Kinkana. Kata Kana is added to the candidate of IME. Next week's called Store Switcher 2 adds a button to switch accounts in App Store account page iOS 11 and up, so you can easily switch between different App Store accounts on your iOS device. It's called Volume HUD and customize the iOS Volume HUD, so pretty cool. She's called Homebar Themer and allows you to change the iPhone X homebar size and color. Next week's called Prism, and basically with this tweak is a feature-rich control center for iOS. This week's called Translate-O-Matic. It quickly translates any text. Speak with someone who speaks a different language. This is a great tweak to have. This week's called Minitar and notifications in your status bar. This week's called Groovify and a personalized touch for Spotify. It allows you to customize a wide range of aspects in Spotify. It's called Harmony and allows you to personalize Discord by allowing you to change things such as tint, text, badge, and background color for Discord. It's called Chuzma, gets notifications when someone is tracking you. It's called Cool CC, iOS 14, make your control center cool. This is called Spotted Love and allows you to add Spotify tracks to light songs from lock screen or anywhere from with notification, sound, and haptic. Sorry guys, I had about 3 hours of sleep. Worked at midnight, and I worked again at 6 a.m. And by the time I got done work it was like 12:30, and then I didn't really get to fall asleep until almost 2. So I had about 4 hours. Well, I woke up like 5:30, and I could not go back to sleep. So yeah, this is called Recording Touch for iOS 12 Plus. Toggle torch while recording videos. So you have your flashlight on and record at the same time. Why this is good if you want to record videos in the dark. This is a great tweak because you can record and have your flashlight so you can see, kind of, I guess, you know, while you record. Magical scroll bars, and this tweak adds some spice to your scroll bars and brings them to life. And the next tweak is called Reach CC 13. Oh, what's going on? This tweak is called Reach CC 13. and activate control center using reachability gesture. There's something trembling in the heart lines, guys. I've done this. I made so much top tweets videos. I can probably tell you every tweet there is, or at least like just give you the description of tweets that any like recently new tweak I can give you the description of, or any tweak in the last like year. Brings a new lovely design to your lock screen clock. And the last tweak, is this the last tweak? We got one more after this. One more, guys. Just double checking. I don't care. You respond to me. Okay. Don't care about that. Okay. 2 more tweets. One just came up. Okay. Let's do this. This tweet's called type in notification. Get notifications when someone is writing you a message. Go to the full. Oh, there's no updates. So someone's typing you get that notification. This tweet's called type in privacy. Don't want someone to know when you start typing a message and then decide not to send it. So perhaps they don't want them to know that it took 2 hours to send, or find it creepy that they can see when you're typing. They got you covered. It stops that, stops people from seeing you when you're, I guess, typing. This tweak is called Titan, and with this tweak, it's a picture-in-picture tweak for all your favorite apps. So we have Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Twitch, Disney Plus, Prime Video, ESPN, and Plex that this tweak does support picture-in-picture. Picture-in-picture support for. This tweak is called No Clipboard for You. Prevents apps from accessing your clipboard. But not least, we have No Clutter. Hides elements that clutter iOS. So only tweet dedicated hiding annoyance of iOS places those no tweets like no breadcrumbs or no home bar. So breadcrumbs, which I never knew what it was, and most of you probably don't know what that is because I never knew what that was until I looked it up. It's actually like when you go like from like Safari or from anywhere like YouTube to Safari, on the top left you will see like it'll be like go back to Safari or go back to YouTube wherever you just came from. That's like usually open up a link from like a different app. It's on the top left. It'll say go back to that app. That's breadcrumbs. It just gets rid of that, which is, I mean, I don't know. It doesn't bother me, but it's just, I mean, it could be annoying because sometimes like when I press on top of there by accident, like just part of like my notification center or control center, I tap it by accident, so it does get a little annoying, but not a big deal. But yeah, it's a pretty cool tweak though. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. It helps me out a ton. And yeah, peace.